Friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off all message notifications on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. So go to your settings app, guys, and you want to look for apps in the list and tap on that. From here, you want to use the search on the upper right hand side and simple type in message. Right, you will find all those message apps on your phone, and what you want to do is simply open each of them and simple go ahead and click on notifications. From here, you can easily go ahead and block those notifications. If you see that it's available, you can simply turn them off. So I'm going to do this for each of these apps. Go ahead again and then simple type in message, select that app, go to notifications and simple disable the notifications. So you want to go ahead and do that for all the messages app that you have on your phone. Let's do it for the Facebook message as well. Tap on notifications and turn it off. And that's it. You will do this for all messages app on your phone. You can also go ahead and look for WhatsApp if you have, for example, WhatsApp, because you know that WhatsApp is a messaging app as well. Find it and open it. Go to notifications and simple turn that off. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.